This is a video tutorial to show how everyone needs to do their electronic behavior referrals. Somewhere on the left sidebar will be an instruction that lists behavior referral. You do not have to be in the actual student to select this. Then click New. You get a window that looks like this. Notice you can choose discipline or award if you're wanting a positive referral. You have the date to fill in and the time. Also, be sure on the sidebar here to choose the principal you wish to send this to. Now, for title, you need to type in the main type of infraction. Let's say internet violation. Okay. Then you would choose the context. Was it before class, during class? For most of you, it will probably be during class. For any non-school activity, this is where you could choose this as well, but we'll say during class. Content description. The student was on Skype rather than his assignment. Okay, except I misspelled assignment. Fortunately, it corrects it for you. Location. Was this on campus in a classroom? Was the infraction elsewhere? Notice there are many choices for us, but this one we'll say was a classroom. Then, location description. You would use your class number. And for sake of clarity, we might go ahead and put Memorial if we're in this building. Then this is where we'd give the details. The student was told you would probably want to add as many details as possible. Now, this window is what the parents and students will be able to see. After we've completed this window, go down and you need to add event or participant. You get a second window. Notice this. Second window, again, type in the type of item it was, what the behavior violation of internet use agreement. Then you can add weapons if that's necessary, any violence indicators, but building, location of incident, classroom. Was there any harassment involved? None. What was the motivation? Maybe the student was having issues, maybe it was retaliation, especially these are useful for fights. And if you put unknown then, others involved, were there any others involved? The teacher was involved as well. Then you add the participant. Now, this is not a type window, this is a search window. So if you started the last few letters of the name and search, you would get some choices. Now you would select your student and be done with it. Okay? Then what you need to do is you need to save this draft and then you need to submit. This is where a lot of teachers are struggling, is they fail to submit the issue. So you would hit submit and then you would be sending it. Then it's sent. If you miss any of the steps prior to this, then the principals cannot resolve the issue. Thanks.